kasama na po ang buong impeachment process because as I have repeatedly said, hindi po ito para sa amin, ito po ay para sa sambayanang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po.
Kagaya po niya sinabi ni Chairman Jinky, kami po sa private prosecutors ay nagpapasalamat sa misang ito, nagpapasalamat sa suporta ng taong bayan. At talaga naman ngayon na malapit na ang impeachment, kailangan po tayong manalangin. Hindi lang, sabi nga ni Father, hindi lang para sa prosecution or para sa defense, panalangin din natin ang defense, pero panalangin po natin na lumabas po ang katotohanan. So maraming salamat po. At kami po sa private prosecutors, full support po kami sa public prosecutors. Kasi po, kagaya ni Chairman Jinky, nakaka-inspire po yung passion nila para sa bayan natin.
Gano'n po tayo kahanda for Monday?
We are very much ready, no? As a matter of fact, 19 Congress pa tayo naghahanda. And I can honestly tell the Filipino people, the House prosecutors and the private prosecutors are all ready as we start this impeachment trial this coming July 6.
Ma'am, ano inaasahan natin sa Monday? Quickly lang, ano pong inaasahan natin mangyari on Monday?
Well, possibly the opening statement at saka yung mga pending motions, no? So I hope you understand we cannot comment too much on the merits, and that is why yun lang muna ang masasabi natin.
Ma'am, have you submitted your list of witnesses sa impeachment court for next week?
Ang nangyari po nung nakaraang mga araw, alam niyo po kasi, sorry walang media doon, pero nag-pre-trial conference. Sa pre-trial conference na yan, linatag lahat ng documents, lahat ng witnesses, lahat ng legal issues, lahat ng stipulations, kung merong admissions, at lumabas na ang pre-trial order. So nakalista na sa prosecution, sa amin po, 57 witnesses. Sa defense, mga 20-something witnesses.
Ma'am, ba't yung ipapresenta niyo po for next week? Na i-submit niyo na po ba sa impeachment court?
Meron na kaming sinubmit kasi requirement ng pre-trial order na 3 days before the hearing, dapat ilista na namin ang mga witnesses para walang surprise. So,
Ma'am, to be clear, ito po yung mga witnesses for threats kasi yun po yung nasa unang order of
sa
presentation.
pre-trial order, yun po ang una, threats po. Yun lang ang masasabi ko.
Yung comment niyo sa pre-trial order na file natin.
We filed our comment yesterday.
What does it contain, ma'am?
I cannot disclose the gist of our comments now. Hintayin natin ang pre-trial court na mag-comment sa comment namin. No?
Ma'am, but do you have objections in the comment?
No, we're very happy with the pre-trial order. Konti na lang mga technicalities lang. But
Pero may reiteration ng pag-open ng BIR box po doon sa comment.
yes. And pumayag naman, ang magandang nangyari sa pre-trial, pumayag rin ng defense na markahan yung mahiwagang BIR box. Pero kung ano ang disposition ng impeachment court, hintayin na lang natin sa trial.
Ma'am, reiterate niyo.
Ang position ng prosecution dapat transparent, dapat sa impeachment court. Hindi pwedeng i-executive session ang mga ebidensya. But we will leave it to the discretion of the impeachment court.
Ma'am, reiterate niyo rin po ba yung allowing private prosecutors to examine witnesses sa comment ninyo?
Allowed naman po yan. That is allowed in the Senate rules that the private prosecutors, kami po, under the control of and supervision of the public prosecutors, is allowed to present witnesses.
Ma'am, but the defense is opposing that, di ba?
We leave it to the trial court, no? Kasi impeachment trial court, kasi malinaw na malinaw sa Senate rules na private prosecutors are allowed in the presentation of evidence.
Trial of the century, magiging trial of the century.
Po,
Trial of the century.
trial, this is the trial of the century. Sana itong trial of the century hindi mag-last ng isang century.
Ma'am, may presentation of witness po ba sa Monday or wala pa po?
Opening arguments, pero ang first day of trial, ang first day sa kalendaryo ng impeachment court is 3 days next week, 6, 7, 8 ang presentation of prosecution witness. Pero nakalagay rin sa impeachment rules, Senate impeachment rules na there will be opening statement from the prosecution and an opening statement from the defense.
So sa Monday, meron po or wala pong presentation of witnesses?
We are ready to present our evidence on Monday.
Present 3 witnesses.
One with ang rule dyan is one witness a day. There's a one witness.
na-submit niyo na po na list of witnesses for next week?
We cannot disclose, no? It's a matter of strategy. Yun lang. Maraming salamat po.
Ang isang witness lang per month.
One witness per day.
Ang sino ma'am yung
Merong ano sa mic, may nalaglagan ng phone.
Ay, nalaglag yung phone ko. Hindi akin to.